We are in Osage Hills State Park. We've got a camp spot here in Oklahoma, and there's some hiking trails. So before dinner, we're going to get a little hike in, burn some calories off Pistol Girl and me, because Irene's been cooking us some good food. Still ate we ate the last of the naan bread today, so delicious food, delicious leftovers. And now check out this trail.
That was a cool hike yesterday.
Very cool.
All those old buildings from the original Conservation Corps, right?
Yeah, the Civilian Conservation Corps in the late 30s. There was after we got done with the hike, we went down to the registration office, and they had a sign there, and that was the original camp. And there was like the pump house, and what was the one with the metal door? Was that the pump house?
That was the pump house.
That was the pump house. Yeah. I thought it looked like a miniature jail.
Yeah, for very tiny people.
But it's amazing that's, you know, from the 30s.
Yeah.
You just imagine the effort. I mean, they didn't have the equipment we had. If you look at those giant rocks they moved around, and that lookout, that was a water tower and a lookout. So
yeah, very cool.
Pretty cool.
This little girl's pooped, so. All right, let's see what we find down the road.
Van started.
Well, that's always good. Girl, did you stay nice and warm?
You haven't budged, have you? You haven't budged a bit.
The heater's on. It's nice and warm in here too.
Were you getting a good rest after sleeping all night?
Yeah, it's rough being a puppy. We're in Dodge City, Kansas. This to me is like the original Tombstone. So we stayed at Boot Hill Casino last night, and temperatures are dropping. It's very, very cold. Feels
like it could snow.
Yeah, so we may have some snow down the road, but we just came over to the visitor center and we did a little trip through the Boot Hill Museum. And the history of this town is interesting, and the way they have the museum set up was fantastic.
Yeah, it details the history of this area from, you know, way back to Native Americans, and I mean, artifacts and you know, the buffalo hunters and the military at Fort Dodge, which is just 5 miles from here, and all the way up through Prohibition. It's a pretty impressive museum.